the exterior this week, the progress has just been stone. So the guys have made it all the way around the corner, and they're washing it right now with acid, which really brightens it up. It looks great. That white hole that you see there is going to have a copper vent cover on it. And on the interior, it's basically cleanup time, getting ready for the hardwood floor guys that are going to start tomorrow. When they do that, they basically say the house is ours for 2 weeks, so we're not allowed in it. So for the next 2 weeks, we will hopefully I'll be able to come in on weekends and just show you progress, but basically nothing else is going to happen inside. The one thing to show is that I've started putting the cedar on the walls of the closet. So I've made it up to basically to the point where I have to start doing some crazy angles for the ceiling, but looks good, smells good, and that's the progress that we've made this week.